Hi, my name's Joe Waggett and I'm from Metal Polishing Supplies, and today I'd like to show you our aluminium polishing kits. Our kits come with all you would need to be able to polish aluminium, brass, copper, bronze and alloy wheels as well. The kit comes with some basic components. You start off with your tapered mandrel. This is what you use to attach the polishing wheels onto your drill. It also comes with the relevant compounds. For aluminium, it is the blue and the brown polishing compounds. You use your brown first. This is a coarse compound and is used with your sisal mop. The blue compound is your finishing compound and can be used with the colour stitch mop and the G-loose fold mop. The kits also come with a sisal, colour stitch and G-loose fold polishing mop, which is available from 3" up to 6". First of all, you attach the tapered mandrel onto the drill that you're going to be using. It fits on any standard electric drill. You fit it on as so. Very, very simple application of the polishing wheel. You get the polishing wheel, nails to the face, and the back is there, and you literally screw the polishing wheel on. This then is ready to use. To apply the compound to the polishing wheels, literally turn your drill on, hold the compound in one hand, present the compound to the face of the mop so that it coats the polishing wheel, so that it coats the polishing wheel with the compound. You then apply the polishing wheel to whatever you're polishing. The secret to this is little and often. Don't put too much on. The secret to polishing aluminium and steels or whatever you're polishing is preparation work. You need to do your prep work. You need to rub down with wet and dry. You need to remove any scratches. You need to remove any oxidization or any rust that you may have on the piece that you're polishing. Our polishing kits are also available with the optional extras of having a dome, cylinder and goblet polishing wheel. They also come with cylinder and conical felts, which are used to get into hard to reach places. The dome, cylinder and goblet polishing wheels can be used on concave and convex areas, as well as internal diameters and hard to reach areas. All our polishing kits come with this metal polishing guide. This will guide you through the processes of how to polish and which mops and which compounds to use for the application. For any more advice and information on our products, visit our website at www.metalpolishingsupplies.co.uk or contact us on 0800 988 7020.